Hello you guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy pizza. Looks easy enough that your teenager can do it when they're babysitting or whatever. So this is really simple and quick. Alright, so these are your ingredients. We have the pizza crust. We're going to do 2 pizzas, so I got 2 of these. You could get the classic or the thin crust, so go wild and crazy. Again, this is gonna be our style, so you guys could do your style. So we're gonna do 1 cheese and 1 pepperoni. So we got pepperoni, but you could get crazy with it. You could get onions, green peppers, mushrooms. You could do whatever, the works. Or pineapple, ham, you do whatever. Okay, so we have pizza sauce already. You're gonna need Italian seasoning. You're gonna need like half a cup of melted butter. We'll let you know when you're gonna need that. We got shredded cheese. We got mozzarella. And let me see what else we have. Oh, I'm gonna do stuffed crust. I don't know if I mentioned that already. So, stuffed crust. These are the, this is not stuffed crust. This is the string cheese. So this is what I'm going to be using to cover up the dough and make this crust, and I will show you. And it's going to be delicious, right? Okay, so here we go. All right, so first we're going to open up the cans. Here you go. You can start peeling that around.
Where's the thing? Oh. And we did wash our hands, by the way.
Oh yeah, we already washed our hands. We did all that stuff, all that prepping. Okay, so we're opening this big thing. Oh, and then these are our trays, as you can see. Right here. Nothing fancy. So we're just opening it up and we're gonna spread the dough. If I open this correct, get out. Ah! Okay, it came out. Okay, so now we just have to unroll it. And I think I'm gonna just unroll it there. Okay, Rachel, so you see, you just grab that piece right there. Before I unroll everything. So it opens up and it's like this big thing here. So we're gonna the dough is like Play-Doh, so it moves, stretches. And we are gonna stretch it out more. Okay. And we're unrolling it. So this is, once you get the hang of it, this is really quick and it's a fun thing to do. Like once she gets the hang of it, she'll be able to help me and do the other side. And if you have more helping hands, they could start doing more pizzas. You see, it's stretching without ripping any of the dough. And we're stretching it over because we are going to put the cheese here. All right, so let's start opening up the bag of the cheese. So can you be opening them for me, my lovely assistant Rachel?
I just open it?
Yeah, please. I'm gonna open up quite a few. Putting my trash over there for now. Alright, we continue. see how I rolled it here? The cheese. Now I'm gonna push it back a bit because we still want the dough to stretch out.
You don't need this?
Without, yeah, I'm gonna need it. Without breaking it. So if you make a hole by mistake, just pat it, you know, like if it was Play-Doh. Just if you make a hole, just patch it up. Okay, so now we're gonna connect the corners. Right here, we're gonna put another one. Hold on, my Italian seasoning is blocking. Ah! There we go.
You open this one again?
Yes, we're gonna need more. This all set up, we have, I mean, if you don't have a little brush, this is a very long brush, but if you don't have a brush like this, you could use, I guess, the spoon for the butter that I have melted. Make sure you stir it. Okay. And this, we're gonna coat the pizza. So are you guys seeing? I'm gonna move it so you guys can see. All right, so we're just coating the pizza. We're gonna put this right here because we're gonna use it for that other pizza. Okay, and then you get your Italian seasoning and you're just gonna sprinkle it. Wait a minute, what happened to my, oh, this has happened to me before. This is a good lesson, guys. When you open your stuff, look, because sometimes a little container thing that holds here falls off and disappears. And then here you go, you're cooking and then all that pours out. And then you're like, oh my God, what the? All right, so let me search for another little container so it doesn't go crazy. Just a second. Okay, so Italian seasoning. This was the piece that was missing. So now you just start sprinkling. And it just gives it flavor. Just go light on it. Not a lot of people enjoy it, so just light. Okay, so then your pizza sauce. Do you want the stuffed crust to be cheese only?
Yeah.
No pepperoni?
Only a little bit of sauce.
Yes. Oh, this family, we don't really like a lot of sauce. So I'm just gonna be very light on the sauce. But if you are a sauce lover, you go crazy. You use Alfredo sauce, use whatever you want. You get creative with your pizza, however you want it to look like. Now you put your cheese. This one is gonna be just a cheese only, so it's gonna be very simple. So here you go, be going crazy adding cheese while I prep. This one is gonna be simple because I'm just gonna open up the crust.
How much cheese?
Just cover it up with cheese.
My hand?
Yeah, you wash your hands, just grab and like cover up the, yeah.
Like a lot? Like,
Yeah, good amount. That was just the oven preheating. You're gonna preheat, you're gonna cook this pizza at 425. Why are you laughing at me? So yeah, so you're gonna cook the pizza. I'm laughing at nothing. At 425 for 15 to 17 minutes until the pizza looks a little golden.
Is this good?
Oy! Yes, add a little bit more.
Ew.
What? It's just cluster.
It smells straight.
Don't worry about it. Ah! All right, so now I'm just spreading out the. All right, so then you just find the cut. You see the cut? That's where you're gonna spread out the dough. See? Very easy. There's always a little cut. Okay, you guys. Right there, and then.
Is that good? No more.
That looks good.
That's good or more?
I think that's good enough.
Oh, well, let me just put this last part.
Okay, that's part, and then as it's cooking, if we look like the cheese needs more, we could always add a little bit
We
more.
do need a little
Remember,
bit
the stuffed cut, it has cheese already, so. But if you like it cheesy, you add as much cheese as you feel it needs. There's no good or right answer about how much cheese you put into that pizza. Okay, you guys? Because it's your creation. If you like anchovies, I don't know, I've never met a person who eats anchovies, but if you're one of those people, go for it.
Are you that good?
Yeah, I think so. I'll be good with that.
I want it cheesy though. I don't know how the cheese was in.
I think it'll be fine. Just wait until it melts a little, and then you can add more. Do you feel like you want a little bit more? I think it's good.
There's like nothing in here.
I have enough right here, sweetheart.
Oh, but it's okay.
That I did get enough of. I just didn't calculate the pizza string. All right, so in this one, we're just gonna double it up, kind of like if we had the string cheese in there, but we don't have anything, so. And then you just push it back. You're just netting like a little, it'll rise on its own. And then you're gonna do the same thing. We put butter on it. Actually, okay, she decided to add more cheese. Okay, so look at that. It's good together. All right, so I'm just gonna continue doing this part. All right, so I already fixed all the edges. Now we do the butter. And we're gonna do the same thing. We butter it up. We're gonna put the Italian seasoning. And this butter is just so everything could stick on it. It's just like a light coat, okay? Don't go too crazy with the butter because you don't want like those greasy pizzas. You don't want that either. That's not healthy. Don't do that. Okay. So that is good. And then we're gonna get the Italian seasoning. And a light sprinkle. And you could get crazy with your seasoning too. I mean, you could add like garlic powder to your crust. I mean, Parmesan powder. I mean, you guys could do anything with your pizza, really. I mean, you just have to think outside the box of what you want to put on there. There's no limit. Okay, we're gonna put light sauce again. Because, like I said, we don't really like a lot of sauce, so this is like more than enough. We usually prefer actually the Alfredo sauce and not the pizza sauce. I've also done pizza from scratch with the yeast and growing the flour, and it is amazing as well. I've done it with wheat bread, like wheat flour, and it's really good. So you could also make healthy pizza alternatives. So okay. I was gonna put that somewhere. I wasn't supposed to. All right. So now we're gonna add cheese. Oh yeah, Rachel was right. Some of the cheese. All right, I think that's a lot of cheese. That's good enough. All right, and then pepperoni slices. And then you just decorate your pizza whatever way you want. Okay, what do you guys think? Is that like a lot of pepperoni? Is that a good amount of pepperoni? I don't know. I think for my family, they'll love it. They won't complain. All right, so let's put the cheese inside the pizza, not just hanging out. So this is how the pepperoni pizza should look like. All right, so once again, I'm gonna pop in both of these pizzas in the oven for 425 for 15 to 17 minutes. Keep an eye out on your oven because some ovens are hotter than others. So until it is golden. And I'll show you guys how it looks once it's done.
This is how it came out. It looks so good, y'all. And this is the stuffed crust one too.
So now we're gonna wait until it cools down a bit, and then we're gonna cut the pizza and taste it.
Yeah, so this is the pepperoni one, and then my mom's cutting the cheese right now. It's really good. It's really light on the sauce, which is good. Alright. So the cheese is done being cut.
Cheese, stuffed crust.
Yes.
It's gonna be super loaded of cheese. Rachel loaded up that one with lots of cheese. Everything's okay. James just dropped something.
I think I like this one better than pepperoni because even regularly,
You love
I
cheese.
enjoy cheese than pepperoni.
I cut
really
the
good.
slices really little, guys, because Julie loves pizza, and it's just easy for her little hands to hold it.
Oh,
That's
girl.
about it.
Yeah, it's really good though.
Cutting it up.
Let's go. So good.
Pizza.
Okay.
You're enjoying your pizza? Cool. So
It's really
guys,
good.
once again, please, try it out. Make your own pizza. Go crazy. Add your toppings. Take pictures. Share it with us. It's something easy to make, quick to make. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and share the video.
Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.